いただきます。ごちそうさま。どう？おいしい？おいしい。ちょっと。はい、皆さんおはようございます。かずえです。お元気ですか？今日のレッスントピックは食事。Today's lesson topic is having a meal. So you learn what Japanese say before the meal, or during the meal, or after the meal. はい、じゃあ始めましょう。Let's get started. First of all, いただきます。いただきます means thanks for the food. So the literal meaning of いただきます is I humbly receive it. So this is just a greeting before having a meal. So I don't know if your country say anything before having a meal, but the Japanese say いただきます. It's something like a good morning, good afternoon, or something like that. It's a greeting. And ひらがな、いただきます。いただきます。So, いただきます。It's not only said before the meal. When you receive something from someone, as a gift, they say, どうぞ, please. And then I say, ありがとうございます。いただきます。Or maybe you hesitate first. そんなお気になさらないで。Don't worry about this word. いや。そうですか？すいません。いただきます。いただきます。So, that means humbly receive it. ね。You might know to receive is もらいます。But, いただきます is more humble way to say when you receive something. So, before the meal, we say いただきます because いただく, receive, humbly receive the food. ね。So it includes the appreciation towards the farmers who made the food or someone who cooked the food. ね、いただきます。But even for the people who living alone and just buy some food from the convenience store, we just say いただきます。Even yourself. So it's funny things, but it's more like, this practice, the habit in our body. So before having meal, we automatically say いただきます. So just remember いただきます before having meal. ね、even breakfast, lunch, dinner, the snacks, maybe if someone offer you some snacks. ありがとう、いただきます。ね、はい。So remember いただきます。And when you say いただきます, somehow we gather the term いただきますはい、いただきますね。これしてもしなくてもいいんですけど It's up to you, but Japanese know this means いただきます This means thank you, I'll have a meal ね、はい Okay, and after the meal Japanese say something again はいごちそうさまでした。or ごちそうさま。It's not necessary ごちそうさま is okay now, but ごちそうさまでした that is also fine. Anyway, ごちそうさま means thank you for the food. I finished it. Even you have a leftover, couldn't finish all. すいません。ごちそうさま。That means I finished the food. Sorry, I couldn't eat, but just say ごちそうさま. That means you finish the food. ね、はい。ごちそうっていうのはごちそう。ごちそう is a gorgeous food. So it's something like a sushi or a steak, something high class, good, delicious food. So only natto and gohan.It's not the ごちそう。ごちそう is something gorgeous food. はい。で、ごちそうさま。 sama is like san. You know san, right? 佐藤さん、加藤さん、山田さん。ね、san is to refer someone's name. ね。by the way, don't put san to yourself. I mean oneself. ね。People call me 金子さん。But I never say, 私は金子さん。I'm 金子さん。I'm 出ません。So anyway, just many people make mistakes. So I just told you. Then san and sama. Sama is a higher class than san. ね。So, なんだろう、for the customers, ね、we say 佐藤様、山田様。Or when you write the email, always add 様 instead of san if the person is customer. ね。で、anyway, 様 is a very kind of honorific word. Then ごちそうさま。ごちそうさま。はい。Anyway, ごちそうさま means thanks for the food. ね。to whoever, someone who made it or cook it, prepare it. ね。はい。ごちそうさま。で、when someone give you a food, then maybe the person might ask you, どう？おいしい？どう means how. ね、どう rising intonation. どうですか？ね、how is it? Then どうおいしい？おいしい delicious. ね。おいしい。ね。Probably you know おいしい。おいしいですか question? But casual. おいしい？そう、おいしいで、どうどうおいしいね。How is it? ね。どう You can add ですか if it's the polite, formal way. どうですかどうですかおいしいですかね。formal always longer than casual. ね。はい。Anyway, どうおいしいどうですかおいしいですかね。So, おいしい delicious. Remember? And probably you know that うまい。うまい also delicious. But it's more like a yummy or something more very, very broken word. ね。うまい。Probably you hear, probably you heard this word. うまい。ね。うまい。Also delicious. Delicious. But more casual ね。うん。when you eat ramen, then you say うまい。Okay. But when you eat steak or sushi in high class restaurant, don't ever say うまい。ね。It sounds a bit vulgar. おいしい more appropriate for that class. ね。Okay. Anyway, so どうおいしいで say おいしい in casual. Yes. おいしい and in the formal way. はい、おいしいです。ね、はい、おいしいです。That's it. ね、おいしいです。But if not, don't say don't delicious. Okay? As I say, the Japanese usually don't say clearly something negative. So, just say ちょっとBut don't worry. So that's how we say it. And そうね。そうだ。お腹 is belly. ね。お腹すいた。すきます is get hungry. ね。then お腹がすきました。お腹すいた question. お腹すいた then お腹すいた。お腹がすきました。ね、お腹がすきました。This is formal way. ね、お腹すいた Are you hungry? もうお腹ペコペコ。ペコペコ is kind of starving. I'm so hungry. ね、お腹ペコペコ。楽しいね。かわいい。はい、anyway. So お腹ペコペコ。私もお腹ペコペコです。朝ごはんを食べます。 いただきます。はい。じゃあ皆さん、もう朝ごはん食べましたか？ Have you already eaten breakfast? Or lunch or dinner? 食べましたか？ Have you eaten? ね。まだ？ Not yet? まだ？じゃあどうぞ。いただきます。で、ごちそうさま。どう？おいしい？うん。おいしい。Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。明日のトピックは going out. going out. はい、お出かけです。So please looking forward to it. じゃあまた明日。Bye bye.
And if you want to learn Japanese more, please check my Japanese online course where you can learn basic Japanese, instant Japanese, conversational Japanese, and hiragana and katakana Japanese script with comprehensive worksheet, and learn Japanese with songs and JLPT N5 master course and the basic 150 kanjis and kanji on the street and more. So please check my Japanese online course as well.